Hey, welcome back. Like and subscribe. Okay. So the next part on here is to find the slope of the line. So how do we find the slope of a line with the graph? Okay. Well, the slope, and it's on the board over there. Slope, we use the letter M, and it's our rise over our run, which is our up, down over our left and right. Okay, and when we're looking at a graph, there's two differences, okay, between a positive and negative. This one is going to be a negative because the arrow's up here, and this one's going to be a positive because the arrow's in this box. Okay, so that's the differences between a positive and negative. So we can look at this and say, is this a positive or negative slope? Well, you know it's a negative. Okay, 10, positive or negative? Okay, it's 10, it's also a negative. Okay, so we say, how much do we rise? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we always start from the lowest point and go to the next one. Over 1, 2, 3. So 6 over 3. Okay, and that does reduce. 6 over 3 is really 2. So either one of those answers I would totally take. But it does need to be negative. Okay, so either way, you need to have a negative. It's a negative slope. My throat is hurting, but not because I'm sick. I've been like talking to you guys for like probably, I don't know, an hour, maybe 40 videos. Okay, 11, write the slope-intercept form. So this one is y equals mx plus b. Okay, what do we find first, the m or the b? The b, good job. Okay, the b, so the b is where it crosses the y line. So that's going to be right here at 4. So we're going to have y equals blank x plus blank. Okay, well, for the y-intercept, we can fill in at 4. Now, you need to find the next closest point. And that's going to be right here. Okay, so don't write me down -1. You see that y-intercept or that x-intercept, and you say, oh, it's -1. Okay, how much do we rise? 1, 2, 3, 4. And we run 1. Okay, is that a positive or negative line? It's a positive, so you can leave it just like this. Okay, when you're doing some of these problems, I purposely did one and then you do one. So look at what I did and look at what you need to do, okay? That's why they're like this, okay? Don't be goofy and doing weird stuff. Okay, find the slope of the line. So slope, same thing. We do our rise over our run, and we count from the bottom to the top. So we rise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we run 1, 2, 3. Is this a positive or negative line? Okay, it's going to be negative. Okay, 15, we need to find the slope. We need to find the m. So that's what we need our answer to look like. M equals. Okay, so we're going to label x1, y1, x2, y2. So we got -8 minus 8 over 8 minus -4. Okay, type that in your calculator. No, I don't trust myself. -4 over 3. Okay, do we stop or do we keep going? Well, we need our answer to just look like m equals, and we did. We got this thing and it says m equals, and that's our formula. And so this is it. That's our answer. Okay, 17 says sketch the graph of the line. Okay, this is in slope-intercept form. This is our slope. This is our b. Okay, what do we plot first, the m or the b? Okay, well, we got to plot the b first. So we're going to go down the y line and find -4. Okay, and then we're going to rise 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and go over 2. And you need to think, which way do I go over 2? Okay, do I go over 2 this way and connect them, or do I go over 2 this way and connect them? Well, I need a positive slope, so I'm going to be connecting these two. Okay, and I totally missed my dot, but that's okay. Okay, I know I'm going fast. My iPad's dying. Okay, pause it. You know, you can finish writing down or something. Look at the next one. So we got, write the slope-intercept form. So we need it to look like this. We need our answer to look like this. Okay, what do we find first? Well, we got to find the b first. And so we go to the y line, and here's the b. That's at -1. And we find the next closest point. You have two options. You can either use this point, or you can use this point. Okay, but remember, I cannot count from here up to this one. Okay, I got to count like this or like this. Okay, so we're going to go up 1 and over 4. Is this a positive or negative line? Should be negative. Okay, last page. So write the slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form looks like y equals mx plus b. Okay, so that's what we need our answer to look like. Look at what you're given. You're given a slope, and we use the letter m, and you're given a y-intercept. We use the letter b. Okay, so this one's kind of really easy. So you're going to have y equals -1x plus -5. Okay, we're just plugging in our b, and we're plugging in the m. Is y by itself? Yeah, it is. Okay, and so this one's done. Okay, look at 23. Write the point slope form. Okay, so write what formula you need your answer to look like. Okay, we need our answer to look like that with parentheses. Now look at what you're given. We're given, label everything. Okay, we're given a point and a slope. So can we just straight up plug it in this point slope formula, or do we need another formula? Okay, well, because I have a point and I got an x1, I got a y1, I got an m, we can go ahead and plug it in there. So we got y minus 1 equals -3 over 2. X minus x1 is -2. Okay, what do we do with that minus minus? We gotta make it into a plus. Are we done, or do we need to distribute and keep going? Okay, well, my answer should have parentheses in it, and it should say y minus whatever, something y1. Okay, and it does. It looks right. So we can stop. Okay, 25. It says write the point slope form. So write what your answer should look like up here. Okay, and then label and look at what you've got. Well, I've got an x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, what formula uses this? Okay, and can I just plug stuff straight into here? Okay, well, I know I got an x1 and I got a y1. Do I have an m anywhere? I don't, and so chances are I need to find the m, okay? And in this case, I do need to find the m, and the m formula does include x1, y1, x2, y2. So we're gonna say y2 is -5 minus y1 over x2 is 5 minus my x1 is -1. Okay, so we can type that in our calculator. You should get -1 over 6. Okay, what is that? What did we just find? Well, this is really our m. Okay, so now, do we have enough stuff to plug in here? Well, I got a y1, I've got an x1, and I've got an m. And so now we can go ahead and plug it in. So we say y minus my y1 is -4 equals -1/6. X minus my x1 is -1. Do we have any minus minuses? Yes. Yes. Okay, do we stop or keep going? What should my answer look like? Okay, well, it should look like, it should have some parentheses and stuff in it. And this one does, and so we can stop. It's in point slope form, and they want it in point slope form. Okay, go through, you got 13 problems to do all the even ones. Okay, make sure that you get 6 done, because it's kind of like weird space. I left you a lot of room. And then when you get done, put them in the box back there, and I will see you guys, hopefully, keep your fingers crossed, on Monday. I hope you had a good week, and, you know, hop on Zoom if you need me. I'm here to help. I'll talk to you later.